Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your LG Smart Dryer. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your LG Smart Dryer and you're wondering how do you actually go ahead and use it. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So if you just got your LG Smart Dryer, it's pretty simple to use. You're going to notice that there's a power button here. Go ahead and click on that. And then the way that I go ahead and use this is that what I do is first you want to go ahead and make sure that your air filter or the linen catcher here is actually cleaned out. So go ahead and pull it out and go ahead and replace it. So once you go ahead and place the linen filter, you want to go ahead and close it up. Then the next thing you want to do is that you could actually turn this dial, and I normally do timed dry. So what that means is that you can manually select the drying time. So in order to select the drying time, all you've got to do is click on time and you can see that the center dial starts to change. So let's say I want to dry it for 80 minutes. And then once you go ahead and are fine with the time dry, just simply click on the start button. And so with that, there's other settings that you may want to adjust as well, such as the temperature. So there's a medium low, medium high, high low. That's useful when it comes to not wanting to have your clothes shrink. And then you also have wrinkle care. So if you click on wrinkle care, I usually keep this off, but that's more so up to you. But once you're ready to go ahead and start your LG Smart Dryer, just simply click on the power button or the start button, and that's going to go ahead and start your dryer. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your LG Smart Dryer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.